Imagine a webcam that doesn't just record you, it actually thinks for you. Today we're diving into the eMeet Piko Plus 4K webcam. The Piko Plus is equipped with a built-in AI chip running pre-trained neural networks specifically designed for real-time video and audio enhancements. Let's understand these advanced models' power and the advanced Sony 1/2.55-inch sensor's role. Sony sensor captures the raw input. The 1.2.55-inch Sony sensor is the hardware that collects light, colors, and details from the scene. Because it's a large sensor for a webcam, it grabs more light, giving sharper 4K video, better low-light performance, and less noise. AI model processes what the sensor sees. The Piko Plus runs a pre-trained AI model trained with massive datasets of images, lighting conditions, and voice recordings, teaching it to detect faces, analyze gestures, and optimize visual and audio quality. Everything is processed locally on the webcam's dedicated AI chip. No internet connection needed, so your video and audio data stay private. eMeet also provides firmware updates to enhance the AI over time, so that the webcam keeps getting better with new features and improvements. Once the sensor sends the raw image data, the AI chip decides whether to switch between wide-angle or close-up camera, adjust brightness, contrast, and colors in real time, filter out noise from the 3 mics. So the AI model is like the brain interpreting what the eyes see. A fast loop happens. The sensor keeps feeding crisp 4K frames. The AI model instantly analyzes and enhances them, and the result is smooth, clear video with auto-framing, true-to-life colors, and natural sound. If you love breakdowns like this, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Gadgets Wave, and thank you for watching. See you next time.